Hey y'all, welcome to another clean with me. So today I'm taking y'all through a relaxing clean with me of my kind of like my nighttime routine. After I've gotten everything else clean throughout the day, I did the main area of the house during nap time. So we are just going to tackle a couple of other areas today that I don't normally get to show you guys. So I'm starting in the kids' bathroom. This is after nap time. I'm just going to take after nap time. This is after bedtime, after their nighttime bath, and they've all gone to bed and everything. And I'm just taking the Method Everyday Shower Cleaner, spraying that down and scrubbing with this Scotch Brite shower scrubber. It has like a long wand to it, and it really does save your back, and it scrubs really well. And I am just going to get all that weird whatever that is that comes off my kids every single day. I don't know what, but there's just like dirt sitting in the bottom of the bath every day. So I got to get that all scrubbed off and rinsed down with very hot water. And then I take this towel that I put on the floor for all the splashes and everything, and I wipe down the outside of the bath and all the floor and everything, and put my normal bath rug back. And I just close up the shower, and it is all good to go. And then I always just have if I see it, I do it policy of keeping my house tip top all the time. So I'm going to refill the toilet paper and empty the trash here quickly. And then I'm just going to tackle this countertop here. So my husband gets ready in this bathroom during the morning so that he doesn't wake me up. So that is his deodorant and toothbrush. That's why that's there. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down with a Clorox disinfecting wipe. And then I noticed all of the toothpaste spots and everything in the sink. So I'm also going to be scrubbing that down with some of the Gain Power Wash spray. I keep a little cleaning kit in every bathroom so that I don't have to run all over the house. And that also really helps me to keep on top of everything because, like I said, I don't have to go running around the house to get something to clean the sink. It's all right here. The sponge is just for this bathroom only. There is bleach cleaner and Clorox wipes and this Gain Power Wash I like to scrub things with. That's always in here and ready to go for me. And of course, everything's baby proofed, and I watch my kids very carefully. And I usually have the doors closed to all these rooms anyway because I don't want my baby just going everywhere in the house. So there's nothing to worry about, and it's all there. Easy access, helps me stay on top of everything. So I'm just going to finish by wiping off any water splatters and everything from the sink, and that is the bathroom done. I do want to do a little mini makeover in here soon, just like I did in the other bathroom. So this toilet paper and towel bar situation is going to be changing very soon. So look out for that. Now we are moving on to the half bath and the playroom. And as you can see, I also have a cleaning kit in this area too. That is what that little caddy is. That is so cute. That's from Walmart in case you want it. It is so cute. I got it at first because it used to sit out and I didn't want like my cleaning caddy to just be ugly plastic. Now I don't have to worry about that, but it's still so cute. I just love it every time I pull it out. But anyway, so I'm just again restocking the toilet paper in this bathroom as well. And then I'm just using some Ajax bleach powder to clean the toilet and some Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray to wipe down the sink in here. This half bath is barely ever used, so usually it is just about like a quick little clean in the toilet just to make sure there's no like nasty stuff growing in here because it never gets used or flushed or anything, and then just kind of wiping dust off of stuff. I will occasionally use this bathroom or just to wash my hands in here, so like I said, it just doesn't get dirty. It's really just about dusting it. It's mainly where like maybe guests would use the toilet or something like that, so it hardly ever gets used. After that, we are going to move right along to the playroom and just start by picking up all of the toys in here. It really never gets too bad in here because I do my best to stick to a 2-bin policy. You'll see in a second. I have these little cube organizer things. I have a big Kallax from IKEA, and it has these cube storage that you can get like almost anywhere. You can get these cubes, so really it's up to you, like your design or whatever. I have these cute animal ones. I got them at Costco, but you can also get these on Amazon. And I have a 2-cube policy, like I said, so I try to stick to that as best I can. It got a little away from us, but I did my best. So I'm just picking up everything and putting those cubes back, and then I also put away the books into that coffee table. That's where I store all of the books down here. And just random little toys. I was trying to find a place for them, like that little baby telephone and stuff like that, and the baby drum set. Those are just like randomly in some of these cubes as well. And then I'm just going to try to get all the pillows off of the floor and back onto the couch and our little makeshift trampoline bed back there. And I'm just going to spray everything down with some Downy April Fresh Febreze. It smells incredible. And then give this room a really good vacuum. I have a little bit of a surprise at the end of this video. I was so excited about it, and it's the reason that I even had motivation to clean up the playroom this evening, because this is the room that I skip the most often. I probably do it maybe 3 times a week. Most of the time I only do it twice a week, where I pick everything up, wipe everything down, and vacuum in here. I'll pick up toys if I want to switch out bins. Like I said, I try to only have 2 out at a time, but other than that, I really don't like do a huge pickup in here because it gets destroyed every single day. And if I'm only going to clean it up once a week, I'll do it on a Friday, because we don't really use the playroom during the weekend because Dad's home from work and we're normally doing stuff outside of the house anyway. So anyway, tonight I was super excited because the next morning we were going to get a TV for this room. This whole time we've lived here over a year, this has been our playroom, and we have resisted getting a TV because we try to avoid screen time as much as we possibly can. But with winter right around the corner here in Wyoming, we decided to just cave and finally get a TV for in here, because you really need to have as much entertainment and as many things to do as possible when you are stuck in your house and there's like 5 feet of snow outside. So we caved, we got the TV, and we're already loving it so much. So you're going to see us put that up at the end of the video. So that is the playroom all picked up and vacuumed and looking fresh as can be. And now I am just going to do the hardwood floor area around here, give that a really good vacuum and a little mop with the O-Cedar Quick Mop. And you'll see that I also go up the stairs with this vacuum. My husband did get me a hand vacuum, which I do love and I do use it all the time. But if I already have the big vacuum out, I just don't even bother to go try and find that little vacuum. I'll just truck this thing all the way up the stairs and use the hose and get it nice and vacuumed, because those stairs, for some reason, are a huge collector of dog hair and dirt, and I feel like I do them a lot. Like I feel like I vacuum them very often, and still there's so much dog hair collected on these stairs. It is wild. That is the bin after vacuuming, and it was totally empty before I started. And I really feel like 75% of that is dog hair that is collected on the stairs. It's just the weirdest thing. I don't know if anybody else has that issue, but I find that so weird. But anyway, now I'm gonna quick mop in here with the O-Cedar quick mop. And if you can tell, I have it flipped over on the other side. And that is one of my favorite things that I like about this mop, is that every single pad is double-sided. So earlier in the day when I was cleaning the main area, I mopped with the one side of this microfiber towel head, and I can just flip it over and mop right here, and it is all clean and fresh. It's like a new fresh microfiber towel that I'm cleaning with, and it is just so easy because then I just know, like, okay, I'll do the whole house in one pad because I have two sides, and that is the floor clean for the whole house. It's amazing. Now that the basement is all fresh and clean, I feel like I can really enjoy our new TV. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but anytime I'm getting something new for a room, or I'm decorating, even if it's something as small as a candle or one little decoration for the wall, I feel like I have to clean the whole room so I can fully appreciate my new thing and like relax in a new refreshed room. Anyway, I don't know if anyone else is like that, but anyway, we are just going to throw up this TV on the wall up here, and it's a 50-inch TV, and now I'm feeling like it's too small. We were silly little gooses, and we did not measure anything. We just thought we'd go look at TVs at the store and kind of eyeball it, and we were thinking that the 55-inch in store looked huge, so we went with this 50-inch, and now I feel like it just looks so goofy because it looks so small. And I don't know if it's just because there's no decorations on the walls, or if my little, funky retro chairs are just so huge next to everything that it makes like the whole fireplace and the TV look small, or if I really just need to go and get a bigger TV. So y'all would just have to let me know. Maybe it is just that I need to decorate around the TV and it won't look so weird and lonely up here on the wall by itself. But we also have a 65-inch TV in the living room, and I feel like it's too big for our living room. If y'all have seen it in some other videos, it is huge, and I feel like if we really wanted to, we could just switch them and have a 55-inch in our little living room and then have a 65-inch in the big playroom, because the playroom is like the biggest room in the whole house. So anyway, y'all will just have to let me know. So here's just a little before video and an after. And I do love having the TV in here. It is really cool. I'm just not sure about the size, but anyway, here is the TV. We're already loving it. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still cleaning along with me, there is a whole playlist of all of my cleaning videos right here on the screen and always linked down below. Thank you again for watching. And if you subscribed, you are the best. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.